customer of ours has this sconce. You know, you buy them, they wall sconces, they hang on the wall. We're going to hang them in the ceiling. I'm going to show you what we need to do to make this happen. So stick around. So underneath the sconce, just looking at the bottom here, there's a plate, right? The cord, and there's two screws like this. If we take off these screws, right, then we can pull off this plate. See this plate? It's got screw holes in it that can go on an electrical box, or you can just screw it right to the ceiling, and by putting a restraint on it like this, is that the right way, this way, we can feed a wire through that into the box and connect 120 volts here where the other wire was. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to take this wire out, we're going to hang this up in the ceiling, and we're going to connect these, put it on a switch. Watch. So electrical codes in your area may be different, so don't count on what I'm doing as the right and proper way. Check out your local codes. But here, where I am, if a fixture has its own electrical box contained, you don't need to actually put an electrical box in the wall. What we're going to do in this case, because we have a box in the actual light fixture, we're going to push the wire through this hole here, and I'm going to put a couple of screws in this. Hold it up. Now I'm going to be using some anchors. And these are easy anchors. They thread into the drywall, and then the screws thread into it. Just like so. So this one here is going to go there, and we're going to put these screws that come with the easy anchors. Yeah. And that should hold. These are LEDs and they've got a driver in them. So the driver has to be preserved. And that's what we're going to be connecting to with the other wire. So we're going to cut the black here and the white there. And then this one here, we're just going to remove them all together. You can keep this black piece on there. It's not going to hurt. And then this, I'm just going to strip it. Yeah, let's take this. Let's thread all this together. So I'm putting this black piece at the back here so you're not going to see it. And I'm going to put this on and then hopefully be able to find the hole with any kind of luck. There's one. Get just a bit higher so I can get this side. Let's hook up the other side, the other one, and turn it on. Okay, we're just going to put in a switch here too, right? So we're going to, again, check with your codes, because the way that we're allowed to wire lights here may be different than where you are. Here we're allowed to bring the line into a switch and carry off to the load. It used to not be that way, so things can change. So keep on track. So the commons I connect together, and we'll push that to the back of the box. The top, it says top right there, and the top is where you put your load wire onto. So put that in there. Yep, and the black, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to try not to get electrocuted. This is hot. Okay. Okay, we're going to put that into place.
Those lights were awesome there.
So that's how you turn simple sconces into permanent lights. Just cut the wires and patch them up. Thanks for watching Odd Jobs. If you like it, hit that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to go to my store and check out some merch.